Small roof leaks can quickly turn into a big problem. A new roof is a serious project, but knowing what type of shingles and color you want will keep you from making a rushed decision when the time comes. The most common type of roof material is asphalt shingles because they're affordable, durable, and available in a variety of colors. Asphalt shingles come in two types: architectural and 3-tab. Architectural shingles are thicker, heavier, and are able to withstand strong winds. They also help reflect light to keep your home cooler. 3-tab shingles are more affordable, thinner and lighter than architectural asphalt shingles. Besides the type of shingle, you'll also need to choose the color. Asphalt shingles are available in a variety of colors like gray, brown, black, white, red, and blue. Each shingle color adds a different look to your house. Consider things like the color of your home and, if you plan to change it, the style of your home and your climate, since lighter colors can keep your home cooler. If your house is gray or white, gray shingles give a modern look. Red shingles add traditional flair and look great on Victorian and Craftsman style homes. When it's time to start the project, find a reliable company to work with, like Lowe's. Schedule a free consultation to get started. During your consultation, you'll discuss which shingles you like or hear about other options like metal panels or ceramic tiles. These are durable alternatives but are typically more expensive. When it's time to get ready for the project, there are a few things you need to do, like removing pictures and artwork from the walls. The vibration from the roofing equipment can make them fall. You should also make sure cars are moved and the surrounding area is clear. And have a plan for pets and kids. It will be loud, and parts of your yard may be off limits. Once your project is complete, keep any warranty information in a secure location. This is one project you hopefully won't have to do again for a long time. But if you do, Lowe's is here to help.